Navigate to the lecture you would like to view and click on it. The lecture launch page will open, displaying its title, launch button, and completion status. When ready, click the Launch Module button to begin the lecture. The module will open in a new tab where you may proceed through the slides using the navigation buttons at the bottom right of the window. Ensure that you only have your course and lecture module tabs open in your web browser. It is very important not to open additional tabs or windows to browse other websites while you are actively completing a lecture, as these actions may disrupt your progress tracking in the course. Equally important, ensure you do not close any of the Navigate course pages. Leave them open to maintain connectivity. Using the toolbar at the bottom of each slide, you may adjust your volume, toggle on closed captioning, or change the narration speed as desired. Many slides contain interactive features, such as keywords and images, which can be clicked on for more information or a closer look. You may also record your own written notes to accompany any individual slide as needed. Periodically, you will encounter a knowledge check or question based on the subject matter being presented. You must answer these questions correctly before you will be able to continue to the next slide. If you need to step away from your device and continue the lecture later, ensure that you close out the active lecture window so that your session does not time out and lose your progress. You may reopen the lecture when you return and are ready to pick up where you left off. At the end of each lecture, you are required to complete a 10-question quiz. After selecting the best answer choice available for each question given, ensure that you continue through all the lecture slides until you have reached the last slide in the deck. This will successfully complete it and report your quiz grade. You may click the Close Module button when finished. You can confirm your completion status by reviewing the corresponding lecture quiz score in your gradebook. If you have previously completed a lecture and are retaking it a subsequent time, the module will automatically begin a new attempt for tracking. This is the reason your module status displays as incomplete. The highest score you achieve across multiple attempts will always be the final grade reflected in your grades.